Just a quick video to say, even though I know my hair is like wild and crazy right now, there's a few reasons for that. But I want to say that I'm filtering the best I've ever done in my life. I learned about filtration from Dr. Morris maybe 10 years. So yeah, this is the best I've ever filtered. Filtering all day long. Especially in obviously my night, if I wake up in the middle of the night from sleep once or twice to pee, or my first or second pee of the day, I'm filtering all day actually, even my third day. And I've never done this, so I'm really happy with that. And it's because I'm taking I'm just eating like fruits and some almond milk every day, or maybe some fruits and nuts. Other than that, I had like nothing else. I've given up like vegan hot chocolates, which I had sometimes before. No salt, sugar, kombucha, caffeine. Like not that I ever had coffee really anyway. Our little pussycat Pebbles. Hi Pebbles. And here comes Mittens. And look at you, look at them, taking a picture. 1, 2, 3. So anyway, yeah, I'm really delighted. I'm taking some cleavers or a little bit of bloodroot.
It's not closed.
Here's all the 3 kitties.
Yeah.
And yeah, what I'm doing is I'm also just finishing eating like for the last 2 weeks or whatever. So like last week maybe between 4:30 and 5:30, usually closer to 5, 5:15. Sometimes less than 5. So intermittent fasting, going to bed, and then going to bed really rests the system, really helps so much. Yeah, and like I said, eating super simple, like no salads, no kimchi, sauerkraut, fermented foods, no nothing, It's a very, very streamlined diet, a bit like 8-10-10 diet, except with pretty much no recipes, Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm having, so yeah. I'm also taking some kidney and adrenal herbal capsules from Dr. Christopher to support kidney and adrenal. So I'm working on having kidney, adrenal and lymphatic system herbs. So yeah, today's a celebratory day because I've learned about kidney filtration for over 10 years. But never been able to do it because I've always been either for emotional or physiological reasons or mental reasons as well. Kind of in the habit of having. Okay, lovey. In the habit of having cooked food or heavier food, or just overeating or emotionally eating or eating too late at night time. So there's a number of drains we can do on our energy and our health, which drain our energy and impair the body then to use that excess and saved energy for detoxification and healing. So yeah, thankfully I'm doing that, and I'm appreciating it. And was there anything else I was going to say? I think there's more at a different moment. Yummy almond milk, homemade and sieved. Just dates, almonds and water, and then strained. It's delicious. So yeah, people who've got their kidneys filtering and eating on a fruit-based diet in the past, raw living fruit-based diet like Pachamama, sun food, natural food as I like to call it, Pachamama, sun food from nature. Once they get their kidneys filtering, they generally heal and get better from whatever their ailment or problem or issue is, or disease or the injury, and that takes a bit of time and perseverance, but I trust it'll happen to me too, from severe health issues I had in the past too. And I also have slim genetics because in my family line too, but coupled with both of those things, I'm on the slimmer side, and I know that, but thankfully I'm still pretty strong for sure. But I know I'm going to get back a lot of what I used to have, which is before any injury took place, so to speak. So I'm excited for that. And if anyone saw my more recent video, I did my first effort hanging was. So yeah, my recent hang time maybe a month ago, my first try with no preparations, and I haven't really tried again properly since, because I did once or twice, but it's slippery bars, so it's kind of weird. And then my first try, no preparation, was 4 minutes and 14 seconds on hanging on the monkey bars in the playground, which is pretty good. So yeah, I'll have an ebook or book about health coming out this year probably, but I have 2 other books that I've written, and they're free. They're a gift for you to receive in my new website. It's a community, and just check the link below in the description or in the pinned comment, and you can see that as a gift. And you'll also receive, being at the community for free, also a monthly workshop on a topic of my video course, which is for members, but you can see the topics there, or our topic of the books too. And it's about healing yourself, your life, your family, relationship and ancestral line, and helping heal all the issues related to relationship complications, your own mental, emotional health. Here's Mello. So yeah, it's good to heal all that stuff and heal your ancestral line.
Dad, you see him?
Yeah, I see him. Hi Mello, he's interested in some almond milk, so you can have the best life possible, best relationship and family life possible too.